Andy, wake up.
Hi, Andy.
Fucking.
Hi, Becca.
Dude, don't do it. Dude, let's get on top of Andy. No.
Do it.
So funny, Andy. So funny. It's a good story. Are you wasted?
Are you wasted?
Andy. Man, yank those pigtails right off. Dude, chug this.
Here, there's one over here, buddy. Andy, there's one over here.
I can't. Rockstar.
You chug it, Becca.
Fuck that. I ate too many peanuts. I have to go. My sister was so mad. It's the funniest thing ever. She's so mad. She was like, ow! She like kicked me off and then she's like, don't do that.
Where'd she go?
She went upstairs. She's so mad. She went upstairs to her room. You're making my pants fall down. You're making my pants fall down. That's what we tell them, boys. You made them. You made them. I didn't do it. Shit. How was that party? It was fucking... It wasn't even a party, I don't think. I think we were just drinking. I'm on tonight. My sister's gonna kill me. She's gonna fucking try to whip my ass, and I'm just gonna be like.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna be like. Be like, what? You wanna sneak people over? I'm telling Daddy. She's really gonna hate me. Fine, don't worry about it.
She's gonna whip herself in the head.
I'm gonna whip you in the head.
Becca, you're a bitch.
You're a bitch. My glasses are fogging up from my watery, allergy-induced eyes. Seriously, I can't see, really.
I don't think it's the glasses.
Okay, I got it.
Oh. Becca, do it again.
Let me see you, miss. What the fuck is so funny? My head hurts, dude. I'm gonna take my hair out. Fine. So, did my sister tell you about that other night when I got hammered?
No.
Oh.
No, but someone puked right over here and they didn't clean it up.
Dude, I tried to shout that. Dude, you want to play frisbee? I'll play fucking frisbee. Kelsey? Whoa. I'm gonna call my dad. My sister did this. No, but really, right there. Right there. If you can see that. Right there, over there.
Yeah. I see it.
That's where my friend puked. But I don't even know who it was because I was too hammered, so I had to go upstairs and have my sister put me to bed.
Who was all at the house, Becca?
Just me and Marcos and Tony.
So what was one of
So
them?
they gave me a ride home, and I was like, shit, dude, I'm hammered. And then I don't remember.
She's talking about like two different nights in one.
But I went upstairs and my sister was like, yeah, dude. Dude, there's still soap on that shit. I smell it on the microphone. Shit, dude. I can't even reach it. Let me you. Okay, wiggle it. Now let me smell it.
Oh yeah, it's on my
See,
fingers
that's
too.
full of shout.
Yeah.